Do you dream of making money while you sleep? Well, pay attention because today we're going to talk about how to make passive income with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a powerful strategy where you promote other people's products and earn a commission for every sale you generate. It's like being a salesperson without the hassle of creating your own products. So, how does it work? First, you need to find a reputable affiliate program that aligns with your niche and offers high-quality products that you believe in. Next, you'll receive a unique affiliate link that tracks your sales. This link is essential because it's how the company knows you are responsible for the sale. Now, it's time to promote the products. You can do this by creating valuable content, such as blog posts, videos, or social media posts, that highlight the benefits of the product. Your goal is to educate and persuade your audience to click on your affiliate link and make a purchase. The more targeted your audience is, the higher your chance of making a sale. Once someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you'll earn a commission. The best part? You can earn passive income long after you've created the content. You could wake up tomorrow with a notification that you made money while you were sleeping. But remember, success in affiliate marketing takes time and effort. You need to build an audience, create valuable content, and continuously refine your strategies. So, start today and unlock the potential of passive income with affiliate marketing. Thanks for watching the video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on making money online. Link in the description.